My kitchen is around 73 degrees, and so I'm going to go ahead and check my dough at about 4 hours, and I'm just going to see how it's doing. I always give myself a fairly good time frame. I always want to check it a little early and just see how it's doing, just because the temperatures of my kitchen can fluctuate and I don't want to over ferment my dough. So I usually start at about 4 hours and do all my tests to see how it's doing, and if it needs more time, then I can give it more time, or if it's close, then I know that I need to check it sooner. So let's go ahead and see what it's like in about 4 hours. My dough has been bulk fermenting for about 4 hours since my last stretch and fold, and I just wanted to show you some things that I look for to see if it's done with bulk fermentation. Now, this can vary for sure on, using warm or cold things in your dough when you initially mix it, as well as how warm or cold your kitchen is. And so my kitchen is at about 73 degrees. This has been sitting for the 4 hours. I'm going to shake it, and you can see there's really not a lot of jiggle to it. There are some bubbles. It is slightly domed. Those are good signs of bulk fermentation. I am wetting my finger, and I'm just going to do a quick poke test, and it bumped up pretty quickly. You want it to stay down and slowly rise back up, and it's just not quite there yet. So I am going to go ahead and give this another hour, and we will check back in. So my kitchen is now closer to 74, 75 degrees. My dough has been sitting for 5 hours now, and so I'm going to go ahead and check it to see if it has all the signs, to see if it is done with bulk fermentation. So come have a look with me. So first things first, it does jiggle more than it did an hour ago, which is a good sign. There are bubbles along the top and along the sides and bottom of the bowl. It has definitely risen around, I'd say 40-50% from what it was before, which is a good sign. It is domed on top. You can see it kind of goes down on the sides. It goes like this, and then it goes down like this towards the bowl. So that lets you know that it is domed on top, which is awesome. And then also it is more pillowy. You can kind of see, look how bouncy and pillowy it is on the top. That's so much better than it was just an hour ago. But also it is slowly rising up when I poke it, doing that poke test. So this lets me know that we are good to go for our bulk fermentation. So if you're ever having a hard time or struggling knowing that your dough is ready, if you can check most of those boxes, it doesn't necessarily have to be all of them, but most of those boxes are checked, most likely you are good to go ahead and shake your dough.